Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about Sligh Furniture. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. The Lexington Home Brands umbrella now owns the Sligh Furniture Company, which was founded in 1880. The brand is most recognized for its varied inventory, which offers both low-cost, functional household furnishings and exquisite bedroom sets. The Sligh Furniture Company's modern range includes both contemporary and traditional types of furniture. Sligh Furniture Company is a furniture company based in Sligh, Scotland. In Grand Rapids, Michigan, the Sligh Furniture Company was formed. Baker Furniture, Century Furniture, Widdicombe Furniture, and Stickley Furniture, to name a few, were all founded in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Although the original Sligh Furniture firm closed its doors in the 1930s, the rights to the brand were later purchased by another company, which started selling furnishings under the Sligh Furniture Company name and with the same commitment to combining utilitarian and artistic furniture. Sligh Furniture Company is a modern furniture company that sells bedroom, dining room, living room, and other interior furniture. You might also be familiar with the Sligh Clock Company, which was founded in Michigan. Vintage Sligh furniture, on the other hand, exhibits a wide range of forms and types. Many of Sligh's works were inspired by historical styles. So, for example, you might come across Chippendale-style Sligh furniture. Sligh furniture in the Rococo French style is also available. Finally, Sligh Furniture Company's lovely Queen Anne-style furniture may be found. Of course, Sligh Furniture's exceptional quality and craftsmanship run across all of these collections. Almost every piece of old Sligh furniture we've seen is made of beautiful South American mahogany wood. The Sligh Furniture Company has a long and illustrious history. Charles R. Sligh created the initial company in 1880. Charles founded a company in Central America that bought mahogany wood directly from Honduras, delivered it to New Orleans, and then shipped it to Grand Rapids for manufacture. The company's regional products were supposed to be low cost and straightforward. Sligh updated their ideas to include more full bedroom suite furniture 2 years after the company was started. Dresses, wardrobes, and accent items were included in these suites. The furniture was so favorably appreciated that Sligh bedroom suites were purchased by two presidents, Benjamin Harrison and Rutherford B. Hayes. By 1908, a Circassian walnut furniture line, first produced in 1900, had become a popular seller. Sligh Furniture Company is a company that manufactures furniture. Due to the popularity of the bedroom suites manufactured decades before, the firm began to focus extensively on bedroom furniture by the 1920s. By the mid-20th century, the business had created 80 various bedroom suites and 11 different dining room suites, with suites in both contemporary and historical restoration styles. Despite its popularity, the company was unable to withstand the financial difficulty brought by the 1929 stock market crash. Despite efforts to broaden sales and reduce production costs as much as possible, the company was obliged to close its doors in 1932. However, due to the success of the Sligh Furniture firm, another company would subsequently obtain the rights to manufacture furniture under the Sligh Furniture Company name. Although it is unknown whether any of the present catalog pieces are copies of older pieces, they reflect the spirit of the company's high-quality furniture when it was created. Products of the Sligh Furniture Company. In the event room, dining room, living room, home office, and entertainment room, the modern Sligh Furniture Company provides a variety of collections. Depending on the set, the collections in these categories reflect both contemporary and historical trends. Both stationery and accent furniture are available in the modern collections. Value of Sligh furniture. The majority of Sligh Furniture's vintage furniture has a reasonable retail value. In 2015, a Sligh full-size mahogany bed similar to the one shown below sold for about $500 to $600. In 2017, the new owner paid roughly $600 to $850 for the inlaid Sligh buffet, shown above. Overall, when it comes to old furniture, Sligh sells for a reasonable price on the market nowadays. Sligh Furniture was founded in Grand Rapids, Michigan, in 1880. With hundreds of pieces to pick from, find beautiful high-quality Sligh furniture for sale. Sligh created beautiful mahogany furniture until it closed in 1932 and sold its assets. For years to come, enjoy the exceptional quality of this vintage furniture. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.